Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about an exciting product that's revolutionizing the world of satellite installation.
It really does help.
I gotta have that.
I'm really excited about it.
Finally, the 3-point compliance utility harness. This one-of-a-kind OSHA-compliant harness comes fully equipped. It allows your technicians the ability to secure the satellite dish and mounting equipment while climbing a ladder with both hands free. This is a very important feature considering ladder falls are one of the #1 causes of death and injury on the job site, a number that has tripled over the past decade. Scarier still, most are from 10 feet or less.
It was really hard to feel safe while going up and down a ladder. One of my biggest fears was falling.
Yeah, it definitely frees up both of your hands so that you can firmly grab onto the ladder and slide your hands like you're supposed to instead of going up with one arm on what you've got and one arm on the ladder.
After 30 years of implementing best management practices for OSHA and MSHA, we finally have a product that allows the climber to ascend and descend the ladder with both hands on the rail.
They're feeling much more secure and comfortable on the ladder when they're installing a dish.
Generally, technicians install or test 10 to 15 satellite dishes during a typical work week, spending about an hour on site for each. But the compliance utility harness allows your techs to finish the job 20 to 30 minutes faster, going up and down the ladder only once.
I was impressed by this orange harness that they had on. It was amazing. They were able to strap all of that equipment to it, and they were able to produce the installation in a much quicker, much more manageable time frame than what I was ever expecting.
Before, while working on a ladder, I was always carrying stuff in my hands. I had, making multiple trips back and forth from the house to the truck.
Maintaining that 3 points of contact on a ladder while you're trying to install a dish has been difficult.
The more you're moving around, the more that you're trying to get to things, the more chances you have of making a mistake.
Our harness alleviates these fears and comes equipped with safety features like our top shoulder connector. This connector uses a quick release strap that includes anti-slip, high friction materials to keep the satellite dish arm from sliding.
You know that when you put it on there, it's going to stay and you're going to be able to ascend or descend how need be.
The fabric is a slip-resistant material, so the harness will stay in a stable position on the torso. While the harness includes a small pouch, technicians are able to add on a separate tool belt, as the harness belt is above the waist. The harness is designed with multiple quick-release fasteners that are strategically positioned on the harness based on feedback from experienced technicians.
It's nice that they're customizable. You can kind of put things where you feel that they should be. There's lots of clips everywhere to hang everything you need.
Our Quick Connect straps are designed for the support legs or monopoles, the mast or pipe, a signal meter, and stabilizing straps.
First I was skeptical. It looks big and bulky and it'd be hard to move around in, but really once you try it, it fits well. You can get it adjusted to yourself, and this big pad keeps you from having to rest the ladder on your shoulder all day long.
Not only did it save me time and money, but it just creates that sense of security.
I couldn't believe that they were able to put that much equipment onto one little piece of fabric, it looked like to me. And they carried it up the ladder and they did such a professional job. They attached everything correctly and they were done and out in a flash.
I'm really excited about this product because it's something that's been a concern for us at DirecTV.
I've recommended it to everybody that I've talked to.
And there you have it. Every company wants to foster a safe and happy work environment, but in this case, the potential savings for reduced risks to employee injury is immeasurable. Contact us today if you'd like to learn more about this state-of-the-art product.
Hi, my name is Chad, and I'm here to demonstrate the 3-point compliance utility harness. I will show you the assembly and the instructions for mounting all the hardware to the harness. So we have everything laid out here that we'll need. We have our masts, we have our monopoles, and we have our ODU, pre-assembled, ready to go. Each of these straps will be used to attach all of these hardware pieces to our harness. And I'll show you each one as we go. This strap is for the mast which will slide up and assemble on the mast there. Now, each of these straps has a anti-slip coating inside so that they don't move once they're attached. And then we have our monopole strap. And with the monopole strap, we're going to take each monopole and attach the monopole here. Short monopole on the bottom so that they are secured. We have our bolt pack with all of our bolts in there, and I'll just add my lag bolts into there and secure that. And then this stabilizing strap will clip on anywhere that you can feasibly put it. I just usually clip it onto the knuckle there, or you can put it on a bolt, or you can put it wherever it's convenient. So now I'll grab my harness, and it literally only takes about 10 seconds to put it on, buckle it up, and cinch it down. Now we're ready to apply all of our hardware. So I'll grab my mast with my buckle, lock that in anywhere on any of these clips. My monopoles, same thing. Could go anywhere I want on any of these clips. My bolt pack, and I can clip it here, I can clip it up here, I can clip it over here, I can clip it on any one of these available clips here. So it's very versatile. Grab my aim meter. And again, this can clip in just about anywhere, but that keeps it from slipping. I'll take the stabilizing strap in one hand and grab the dish with the other hand. And just like I normally do, I'll put the dish, rest it up here on the shoulder, lock in my stabilizing strap, and you'll see how it just cradles right into that nice little shoulder slot. Now the dish is locked, it won't go anywhere.